Alright, so we're going to laminate an elevon, and what I did was I cut some laminate in roughly, well, that shape. And it's a one piece. Some people do top and a bottom, but what I do is I just position the elevon like this, flip it over, and then cut the top side there down to one side so you have one piece. And what we're going to do is we're going to start laminating it on one side. Then we're going to iron the part that attaches to the wing, bringing it over like this. And then we're going to do the edges. Alright, well, the elevons are laminated. Now it's time to move on to the wing itself. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the bottom. Okay, so we're going to layer down. We'll lay the laminate over it, and we're going to cut a piece big enough that we can bring in the flap around all the edges. Okay, especially over the leading edge, the nose, and the trailing edge. The winglet side, we're going to cut flush. Alright, so here's the bottom section cut. And what we're going to do is when we start to iron this, we're going to start in the center. And you're going to move forward, back, and then we're going to go left, do one side completely, and we're going to go right, do the other side completely. And when you iron this out in this direction, just like you started in the center section here, when you get to this section here, you want to stay in the middle of the wing and fan out to the right, to the left, starting in the center, and go out this way. So you don't have any bubbles or sags in there. And that's what you want to work that pattern all the way to the end. Just like that. Alright, the bottom's laminated. It's all one piece. Came out pretty good. We'll turn it over. And what I did was I cut a custom, I cut both pieces to shape for the wing. So what you're going to get, excuse me, is I'm going to cut it so it's one piece. Okay. A little bit of overhang. Oh, just like that. Sorry So that's what it's going to look like. We're going to start in the middle. You have to cut a slot for this motor mount to stick through, so you can get it to sit down perfectly flush, and it also helps without it sliding around when you do that. Again, we're going to start in the center. We're going to work our way to one side, then the other. Alright, we're done laminating, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put on a set of Bang decals. They do custom vinyl decals for FPV wings of all sorts, specifically the Reflex. They could do anything. Juggernaut, Swift, Runt, Wyvern, Banshee, anything that flies and has wings on it. Bang decals will make a decal for it. Check them out. I'm going to put a link right here. Alright, here we go. Down to brass tacks. Putting on a Bang decals decal. Filming this from two different spots. When you get your decal set, it's going to look like this, okay? And it's going to be a little oversized. What you have to do is on your wing, figure out some reference points and where to start. And on this particular decal, it's down here in the lower left-hand corner of the wingtip, okay? Where this is going to be flush with this, and then this is going to be flush with the trailing edge. I hope I'm doing it right. Now this is going to come off, okay? The fuck? Whoops. Bleep. Got it. Now I know I got it now. This is gonna look so badass.